this is Opinion Radar, and if you're anything like me, someone who practically lives in leggings, you know how rare it is to find the one, the kind that makes you feel confident, supported, and actually want to wear them all day. Not just to the gym, but everywhere. Today, I'm breaking down the SHAPELLX leggings for women. These have been making waves online, and at $34, they're sitting right in that weight. Are they too good to be true? Zone. I wasn't sure what to expect when I first ordered them, but let's just say, the hype got my attention for a reason. I've put them through workouts, coffee runs, lazy Sundays, and even a few impromptu dance parties in my living room, no shame. What makes these different isn't just the fit, it's how they make you feel. So today, I'm giving you the real, unfiltered take on whether they're worth adding to your rotation. Let's get into it. Okay, let me just start by saying these SHAPELLX leggings, they are not your average workout pair. From the second I slipped them on, I could tell these were something different. The fabric is seriously thick and luxurious. No flimsy material or scary transparency here. I've had leggings that make me paranoid every time I bend over, but these? Totally squat-proof, no worries at all. The high-waisted design goes all the way up, like all the way to your bra line, and honestly, that's kind of amazing. It feels like getting a full-body hug in the best way possible. They're definitely snug, especially around the waist, but in a I feel supported and put together kind of way. Now I can't breathe. Please, we've all been there. These aren't the kind you just throw on with zero effort. They do require a little yoga session just to get into, but I'll admit, once they're on, it's so worth it. That's when the magic kicks in. The tummy control? Girl, let's talk. I've tried so many smoothing leggings that promise a snatched waist and deliver nothing. But these actually do something. There's this built-in corset-like panel in the front that genuinely smooths everything out. I don't know what kind of sorcery they used, but it flattens, shapes, and holds without rolling or slipping down, which is a miracle in my book. I wore them to brunch with friends underneath a flowy top, and honestly, I felt so confident. No constant tugging, no mid-meal panic about my waistband rolling. And even though their compression level's strong, they don't feel restrictive. I've worn them for workouts, lots of squats, lunges, even a little dance cardio, and I never felt like I was fighting the fabric. It's like wearing shapewear that actually lets you move. That's rare and I respect it. One of the biggest wins for me is just how versatile these are. I mean, yes, they're perfect for the gym, supportive, breathable, and they stay put no matter how much you're bouncing around. But I also live in them on days when I just want to feel polished and pulled together, even if I'm in sweatpants. I wore them under a long sweater for a casual coffee run and felt like I had my life together, even though my hair was in a messy bun and I hadn't brushed my teeth yet. They give that extra lift and smoothness that makes you stand a little taller, you know? It's not about hiding your body. It's about feeling supported and strong in it. And the material? So soft. I was worried that something this thick would feel heavy or hot, but it's surprisingly comfortable. It's like a cozy, firm embrace that doesn't quit. Of course, they're not perfect, no product is. The biggest thing? They are tight. Like really tight. If you're someone who likes a looser fit or has trouble with compression, these might not be your jam. I had to seriously wiggle my way in the first few times, and I definitely recommend sizing up if you're at all between sizes or prefer a slightly easier on and off experience. Also, a few wears in, I noticed one tiny snag near the thigh. Nothing huge, but it made me wonder about long-term durability. The material is thick, yes, but it still needs to be handled with a little care. I always wash mine on gentle and hang dry now, it's just safer. But even with that, I've seen them hold up pretty well through regular use. And I've already convinced myself I need a second pair in another color. Seriously, why don't they have more options? Another thing I love, these leggings actually make me feel more motivated to move. Not in a cheesy, I love fitness way, but like when I look in the mirror and feel good, I want to go for that walk, do those stretches, or try that new workout video I keep ignoring. And that mental shift is huge. I've been on a health journey lately, and these have kind of become my little confidence boosters. They don't replace hard work, but they help me feel capable and strong, even on days when I don't quite feel it. I don't think that's something to underestimate. Clothes can impact how you feel, and these definitely give me a lift, both physically and emotionally. So yeah, at $34, they're a little pricier than the average Amazon leggings, but honestly, they feel like a high-end brand. The quality, the fit, the support, it all adds up. I've paid $80 for leggings at stores that didn't even hold a candle to these. If you're looking for something that gives real tummy control, stays in place, doesn't show everything, and actually feels good to wear, these are worth the investment. I know some people might balk at the tight fit or the effort it takes to put them on, but if you're into that smooth, sculpted feeling, you'll be obsessed. I am. I'll definitely be buying more, and honestly, I kind of want to tell all my friends. But also, maybe I won't. Call me selfish, but I like having a secret that makes me feel this good. All right, babe, go ahead and treat yourself to a pair of SHAPELX leggings and feel that confidence boost for yourself. And if you're into effortless style that actually holds you together, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's build your dream wardrobe, one magic legging at a time.